Hi, today I'm reviewing Oppo A78 5G and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So just to check the health of the battery with Ampere application, we should first get the Ampere app from the Play Store. That's why open the Play Store app and the search pool enter the Ampere, and now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click yes, agree, pick close, then just tap to OK, and now we can see the information about our battery health. In my case, it's a good condition. Also, we got here more information like the battery health, capacity, this voltage, Android version, and more other info. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.